Hi, I'm Hannah from Greenbubble, and in this video, we're going to be talking about two things. Firstly, we'll create a condition check, and after that, we'll see how to add logic to it and how to get user information and how to then use it, like in data, and how to go ahead with the flow after the condition checks and everything. So, watch this video till the very end, as this video is going to be really helpful. And to get more information on input flows and how to create flows, you can surely check out description box. You can get all the links down there. So to start, you need to get on WhatsApp bot manager on Greenbubble. And when you scroll down, you need to get on input flow. And to create a flow, we click on create over here. So basically, before input flow, we need to create a start bot flow where we need to enter the trigger point of the flow. So this will be, I need to place my order. We're going to take a hypothetical situation in which we're going to ask the person about their city and then the country, and in the country portion, we're going to put a condition and etc. So it's the exact key match. After then, we'll save it. We need to provide a title to, which is condition demo, and after that we'll save it. Now we need to put a user input flow. It will be add a new input flow, which is going to be user condition demo. You can also put like webhook URL and Google Sheets URL to transfer your data directly, and we'll save. After that, we need to ask a question, which I have told earlier on will asking city, like hi. We're using a variable over here. The reply type will be text and the custom field will be address. After that, we'll save it. Then we're going to add a thank you message. Let's move ahead. Then we'll save it. After saving it, we'll compose a next message in which there will be conditions. As you can see, condition option over here. We'll click on it and put a condition. So basically here, a custom field such as address is equal to value will be India. Then we'll save it. If the address matches to India, it will be a true condition, and for that we can just start a flow with campaigns and product links. You can just start with ordering the products, and that totally depends upon your business. We'll write it as okay, our team will connect you shortly. Thanks for buying. It's just an example for now. Then we'll just save it. But what if the condition is false? If the condition is false, we'll write sorry, we don't deliver in your country, and then we'll save it. So basically, this is how conditions work. We asked certain question and then moved ahead, then added a condition of match type is all of match type, and then we connected the flow to such situations like true and false. If it is a true, then the order will be placed and a campaign flow can start from here. But if the condition is false, then the order is declined. This is how the condition is created, and we add a logic to it. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. All the links are in the description box. You can ask any doubt regarding to this video.